Okay, once you open your Revit architecture, you're going to be given an interface somewhat like that, and then we're going to go to the new, click on new, and from the template file we're going to be using the architectural template. So select the architectural template, and it is going to be a project, not a project template, and then we'll just click on OK. Okay, and then this interface will pop up, and here you will have the properties bar and the properties browser as well. So if you don't have those things here, or maybe you have closed them on purpose, or maybe you have closed them by mistake, the way you can bring them up is to go to the view tab. From the view tab, you're going to go to the user interface. From there, you just turn on the project browser, and then you're going to turn on the properties. So these are the two things we are going to need in our interface to carry out our actual work. Okay, so yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.